Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Do you love the look of glossy and thick gel nails but only have regular nail polish at home? Well, in today's nail tutorial, Erin will be showing you some tricks that will have your regular nail polish manicure looking like you just got gel nails done at the salon. If you guys enjoy these nail hack videos, be sure to leave us a like below.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So the first step to getting a perfect manicure is by prepping your nails. I'm starting off by pushing back my cuticles with this orange wood stick and also using it to scrape away any dead skin. Next, I'm taking a glass nail file and I'm just making sure my nails are perfectly shaped. Any nail tech at the salon will make sure that the client's nails are perfectly shaped, so when you're doing your own manicure at home, it's best to do that as well. Since I like to keep my nails square, I really just file straight across the bottom of my nail. You can do whatever shape you prefer. Now I'm taking this cuticle oil pen and moisturizing my cuticles. It's important to keep your cuticles moisturized to keep your nails looking fresh and healthy. And I'm just rubbing this into my cuticles and my nails. After letting the oil sit for a few minutes and moisturize my nails, I'm taking a cotton ball dipped in rubbing alcohol and cleaning off my nails. You want to make sure that your nails are completely rid of any oils or dirt just to make sure that the nail polish adheres to it well. Now I'm taking a long-wearing base coat and applying that to all my nails. If you want to fake a high-shine gel-like manicure at home, it's best to shop for nail polishes that are advertised as being super shiny. This line by Butter London always looks super shiny on my nails and lasts longer than other nail polishes, so I'm using this color called Bang On. Now I'm doing the first coat of color on my nails. Don't be afraid to take your time when painting your nails just to make sure you don't make any mistakes or flood your cuticles like I did here. Make sure you let that first coat of color dry completely before you do another. You want to make sure that each coat of nail polish is completely dry because that's the best way to make sure your mani is long lasting. Now I'm going in with my second coat of color, and on this coat I'm doing a little bit thicker of a layer than my last one, just to make sure that this has a little bit thicker of an appearance like gel, and I also think that it helps the nail look smoother and shinier on the final coat. Just make sure you don't put too thick of a coat and let this layer dry completely before you do the next step. One of the best ways to fake that perfect salon quality manicure is by going in with a small brush and nail polish remover to clean up around your nail. Here I'm taking this angled brush and just going around my cuticle line and cleaning up any little bits or edges of nail polish that shouldn't be there. This just helps you get a really crisp and clean line so it looks like you just got your nails done at the salon. Top coat is really important when you're doing a shiny gel-like manicure like this. A lot of brands are coming out with gel-like top coats like Sally Hansen and Essie. Today I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat just because it really helps create that volume and super shine of a gel manicure. So I'm applying a layer of this top coat to all my nails. And also a little tip to keep your manicure lasting longer is to seal the free edge of your manicure. So once you've applied the top coat to all your nail, just take the brush and lightly drag it along the bottom of your nail to make sure you cap that free edge. To keep your at-home gel manicure lasting as long as possible, you can also reapply this top coat every few days to keep your mani looking fresh. And just to make sure everything is perfect, I'm going back in with that small angled brush and nail polish remover just to make sure everything is perfectly cleaned up. And there you have your at-home gel-like shine manicure. Make sure you keep your nails looking healthy by reapplying a cuticle oil every now and then just to make sure your cuticles are moisturized. Of course, do this step after your nails are dry. You can click these boxes here to watch more Cute Polish videos and click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.